Is AI really a threat to creativity? If AI can write a novel, compose a hit song, and even design a complete ad campaign, is human creativity in danger? It's a question I hear a lot, and it's dividing people. Some believes AI is going to replace us, others says it's just another tool. For those of us in the creative industry, the truth is it's not that black and white. Hi, I am Mehul Brahmbhatt, CEO and founder of Matrix. Running a digital marketing agency means work with creativity every single day, from generating fresh ideas to shaping campaigns that connect with people. And that's why I find the AI conversation so interesting. Yes, it's powerful. Yes, it's fast. But it also has some very limits that people often overlook. Now, I am not here to hype up AI or dismiss it completely. I have used it, my team use it, it can save time, spark ideas, and sometimes even surprise you. But I have also seen people expect AI to do everything, and that's where it fails. Because true creativity isn't just about producing something, it's about relevance, emotional connection, and understanding the why behind what we create. What creativity really means. Creativity isn't just about making something new, it's about making something that matters. It means understanding people, their needs, motivations, and fears, making emotional connections, creating moments that make people stop and care, bringing originality, showing them something they have never seen before. Let's say you run a mental wellness brand. Your audience might be stressed, anxious, or feeling isolated. AI can give you generic affirmation or self-care tips it's seen online, but it can't pick up on the mood of your community after a tough news cycle or write something that speaks directly to what they are feeling right now. That real-time emotional read comes from a human instinct, not algorithms. Where AI actually helps, I am not anti AI. It's an amazing assistant when used right. AI is great at getting you started, helping you break that blank page moment, spotting patterns like which posts are your audience loves the most, working fast, giving you 10 headlines options in minutes. If you are a fashion brand, AI can scan thousands of posts and tell you that pastel shades are trending for summer. But deciding if that trend fits your brand style and your audience's taste, that's where human judgment comes in. Where AI falls short and why it matters. AI works by predicting what's likely to come next in sentence or design. It doesn't have lived experience, cultural understanding, or emotional depth. Pitfalls include generic ideas that feel forgettable, wrong tone, too casual when the topic is serious, or too stiff when it needs warmth. Cultural mistakes, copying patterns that might offend without realizing it. If you are running a women's safety campaign, AI might grab motivational empowerment quotes it's seen before, but it won't know that right now your local audience is deeply engaged in sensitive debate about safety laws. A human strategist would adapt the timing, tone, and approach to make it land well. Why human creativity is still irreplaceable. AI can help with the how, but human defines the why. Humans bring storytelling that fits the brand, the courage to break the rules when it's worth it. Empathy, the ability to read between the lines of what people are saying and feeling. If you are a restaurant, AI can give you a list of top 10 Instagram captions for a food pictures. But a human might notice your customers are talking nostalgically about their childhood and turn that into a campaign called Dishes That Takes You Back. That's emotional storytelling no algorithm can match. The risk of over reliance using AI too much can cause same sounding content, brands start to look and sound alike. Weaker skills, teams lose their creative sparks. Missed movements, not reacting well to sudden cultural shifts. If all travel brands use AI to create itineraries, you will see 100 top 10 Paris spots post. But the one brand that shares Paris stories only locals knows will grab attention because it's a fresh, human and different. The balance approach. The future is AI plus human creativity, not AI instead of human creativity. Let AI handle drafting ideas, analyzing data, repetitive formatting. Let humans handle strategy, storytelling, emotional fine tuning. Think of AI as your junior team member, quick, hardworking, but still needing a creative director to guide it. So, is AI a threat to creativity? Not if you use it right. The real winners will be the people and brands that mix AI speed with the human empathy and insight. If you like this video, hit like and share it with someone who's been debating the role of AI in creativity. I'll see you in my next one.